Welcome to Luxury at the Lake. Today I'm located at 43 Songbird Circle, unit number 6 here in Branson, Missouri on lovely Indian Point. This spacious kitchen features granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and is the perfect place to cook up a good meal after a long day on the lake. This luxury two-story penthouse unit features 3 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms and is very active on the nightly rental program. Also located on the main level is the master retreat, secondary bedroom, and laundry utility closet. It's rare to find a condo with an upstairs, but we've got it. Let's take a look. This upstairs loft area is the ideal space for guests. You'll also find the 3rd full bathroom and check out those killer Table Rock Lake views. I'd like to thank you for joining me today on my tour of this gorgeous luxury penthouse here at 43 Songbird Circle, unit number 6 in Branson, Missouri on Indian Point. If you'd like to schedule a private tour, give us a call today.